The Varjo Aero generally shocked me. Now, if you haven't checked it out, I'll leave a link down in the description, and they're being sold right at GameStop, out of all places. So why would you want one? Well, first off, the headset's really comfy, very much so that many people are loving it, especially for those long VR sessions, and probably due to the face cushions on the back, top, and goggles, which make it feel like a giant pillow on your face. But this one won't smother you, and it is equipped with dual mini LED LCD displays with a resolution of 2880 by 2720 per eye. The visual clarity is simply stunning, with details so crisp that you'd be chucking your Quest 2 in a heartbeat if you could afford one. Weighing 1.1 pounds by itself or 1.5 pounds with the headband. Plus it works with all the HTC Vive controllers and base stations. The only real downside is there's no built-in audio, but there is a 3.5mm audio jack that you can plug in your favorite pair of headphones with ease. The price is well expensive, but if you're playing flight simulators and you want the best of the best, this is probably one of your better options. But of course, let me know what you guys think down in the comments and if you would buy one.